This is the line. Just like Khalifa's.
This is hard.
That was a crazy collection so far.
Where Dante at?
You gotta do this in
Where you at went? Where you went? Oh, really? Right? Where the freak Dante went? Dang, this is the door? B, you gotta get that shot. Let's think ASMR. We pull in, we get these clips. Let's get it. Are we welcome?
Welcome.
What's up, bro?
I welcome you to Ghana.
Are you you're the tour guide?
My name is Frank. I'm going to be your guide also.
Good to meet you, Frank.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Yes, that's fine.
So you're welcome to Despite Automobile Museum once
That's
again.
gospel music?
What song is that? Are you the one playing the music? Alright.
That's
So,
gospel. That's gospel. I can hear it.
Yeah, it's gospel.
They praising God back there. I like that. That's you?
It's actually one.
That's you? That's you?
Yes.
It's gospel, yeah.
So we are going to begin our tour from this point.
Huh? Who? Oh, yeah, for sure. He's always here.
So we are going to be seeing about 60 vintage cars. And the first one we have here is a Volkswagen.
This is what I want to do, brother. If you don't mind, can we go see the Bugatti?
The Bugatti.
Let's go see the Bugatti.
Unfortunately, that is parked in his private
Oh, that's
living
we
room.
can't see.
So we can only see it from the glass door,
All
but we
right,
can't.
let's start with the Lambo.
The Lambo, okay,
Let's
that's
do
fine.
that. Let's do that.
We
Thank
can
you,
use
brother.
this side.
Not really a vintage guy. Can we touch the cars or not really?
No, you can tell.
No touching? Got you. Right? I just need to know all the rules. I need to know all the rules that I can't break.
Yeah.
This a Cadillac?
Yes, that's a Cadillac Eldorado convertible.
Dang.
So before we see the Lamborghini, this is the oldest car in the museum. That's a Mercedes-Benz Gazelle, a
What year?
1929 model.
Sheesh. 1929?
20s.
Yeah.
That's a roaring 20s. That's when America was being built.
Dang. Oh, dang. My bad, bro. I always be wanting to touch the logo in the front, my bad.
All right, so
I
this
ain't gonna
is,
touch nothing else. What year is this Rolls Royce right here?
that's a 1960 Rolls Royce
1960?
Silver Cloud, 2-drop head.
Dang. That's crazy. And this is the
So this
Aventador?
this is the newest addition to the collection. This is a Lamborghini Revolto.
Oh, Revolto. My bad. That green color is crazy. The green with the orange. The green with the orange is wild. What you think?
Amazing.
It's a Lambo.
Lamborghini.
What's the price on this?
800,000.
800,000. That's cool. Cool. Anyway, jeez.
Almost $1 million, right?
Almost $1 million.
Yeah.
Almost a ticket. It's beautiful, bro.
Yes.
Is this the owner right here? That's him
Yes,
on the
so
wall?
that's him.
That's the owner?
Yes. We have a picture.
How old is he?
He's 64, currently 64
Dang,
years.
he looks young.
Yes. That's
How old
Mr.
was he in this picture?
I think he's 60. Yes.
He was 60 in that
Yes,
picture?
yes.
Oh, so he looks good.
Yes.
Sheesh.
So we have a photo gallery that you see him better there. So let's quickly go there and then come back.
some people. So the owner of all of this, he's a Christian?
Yes, he is.
He's a Christian man?
Yes.
Ah. He playing gospel? He plays gospel all day?
No. So this one is being played by one of the workers.
Okay.
Not necessarily him.
Okay, I like that.
So we go this way. This is one of the oldest race car we have here. That's the Studebaker.
Oh, it's a race car?
Yes. A 1932 race car.
It's another Rolls?
Yes.
So how often does he drive these cars?
For these ones, he hardly drives them. But anytime he has need for any of them, he can just...
He never really drives them?
No. For these ones, no. Because now he has turned the place into a museum, he hardly drives this one.
He doesn't drive any of the old ones, huh?
He drives some of them. When the need arises, though.
GTO.
Yeah, this is a Pontiac GTO.
That's hard. Sheesh.
All right, so this is the photo gallery area of the museum.
Wow.
And this place holds pictures of the owner of this
Can we
place.
get my brother in here? Can he just sit in it?
Unfortunately, we don't allow anyone to sit in this one.
Okay.
Yes.
No worries. My bad, bro. This is a race car?
Yes. This is an EJS Climax race car, a 1956 model.
Black royalty right here.
So that's him, Mr. Osei Kwame Dexter. You see him also sitting in his Bugatti Chiron in that picture over there.
Sheesh. Oh, this is him?
Yes.
Dang. This is him in the middle right here?
Yes. No, so that's the current president of Ghana, His Excellency John
Wait, this is him, no?
Dramani. So he's the third, no? He's the last person there, yes. So that's him.
Dang. So he's standing next to the president right now. He's the current president?
Yeah, so he's the current president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Wow. Dang, that's what's up, man.
Yeah. So that's him sitting in his Bugatti Chiron up there.
He loves cars.
Yeah.
That's solid, that's solid.
Yeah, so we'll go and see more of the sports cars and then
What you think, brother?
Amazing. Well, it's the first time I see the car like this one.
Oh, really?
For sure.
You never seen these cars?
Yeah.
video for up.
Car like this one. First time.
Yeah, cars. Okay.
It's my first time seeing cars like this too. Shoot.
So we'll go.
For real.
Is it?
It is. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Where? No, the guy
Ain't got the stars in it.
Guys,
Yeah, this is next level, and all the cars are clean. What's upstairs?
So we still have a few of the cars upstairs.
I don't think we should look at cars for that. More game cars.
Yeah.
We got 3 more minutes.
Okay, so let's go see.
Up and downstairs.
Let's go see the sports cars. Most of the ones we have here are vintage.
It's gonna take 5 minutes to get up and down the stairs.
So let's just.
You want to go up, look, come right back down? Or we'll walk quick?
Let's do the other cars instead, because there's another section, and then we can just do it.
Another section?
Yeah.
Yes, where we have the modern sports cars.
Let's do,
Yeah.
modern sports cars.
Yes.
Yeah, we're not taking no stairs right now.
So we'll go this way. Yeah, that be the place you go. Yeah.
So where are we headed right now?
That be the last place. So we'll go this way. So this way.
From Rwanda.
Let's come this way. And watch your step whilst you come down.
Oh shoot.
Sorry about that. Solar batteries. Yeah.
Why y'all fighting in the chat, bro? Don't be weird, man.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
Survivor can't wait to see you.
Watch your step here. A little bit steep.
Hey, they said they can't wait to see me in your village.
Yeah.
Do you live in a village?
Yeah, I live in the
So these are a
You
few
live
of
in
the
a village?
sports
I
cars
don't
we
live in a
have.
village.
It's a village?
I'm just living in the
The
city.
first one we have
Huh?
here is a
I just live
McLaren
in the city.
Oh, you live in the city?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's
But you
up.
can find it.
S720.
Huh?
But I come from the village.
Oh, you come from the village.
Yeah.
So how old were you when you left the village?
Like 3 years.
Oh, 3 years?
Yeah.
3 years old?
Yeah.
Dang. You got out quick. That's what's up. So now you live in the city. What city of Granda?
Kigali.
Kagari?
Yeah.
Kagari?
Kigali City.
Oh, that's where you got your name.
Yeah.
Kagari. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
All
like
right,
I
so what
said,
are we
these
looking
are a few of the sports cars. We have McLaren
All right, look.
S720.
Out of all these, what's your favorite? What's the best? What's the best one? Which one you think is the best? Favorite? Best?
Favor bus.
Your favorite car between all of these? Which one you think? Red?
Let me check.
Red?
Okay.
Yeah, check. Yeah,
Go ahead, go ahead.
Let's check. Let me check. I don't wanna make no mistake.
You got the right answer, bro. Check it out.
He said, bro, we didn't even see the room yet, bro.
Can you go inside?
No, we can't touch.
He forgot the rules.
That's your favorite one? Aston Martin. Aston Martin.
You like this better?
Yeah.
That's that
That's
one.
your favorite?
I had to do.
That's a Ferrari.
Huh? The red one is the one. That's that one right there. This one right here. Hey, look, we take you to Miami, we're gonna ride on one of these. No worries.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
What we got?
All right, so this is also an arcade game center, yes.
Arcade?
Stimulated games, virtual reality.
Can we touch these, bro?
Yes.